We've got a 2001 model Freightliner FL80 with a 50-foot, 55-foot boom on it. I'm gonna give you a quick little operations video here, walk around and let you see this unit. Got 4 outriggers on it. Nice clean interior. Showing 10,779 miles on it. And we got an hour meter of 72.2 hours. Runs good, guys. My PTO off. It's got really good acceleration, good throttle response. Runs really clean, guys, super clean. Got a cat motor. Zero blow-by on it. Just the original, you know, the little bit of cat residual blow-by. They all have it. But nothing that's puffing out, you know. Really clean runner. Super clean truck, guys. Super clean. Good tread on this truck, 22.5. Nice deep tread. Good tread on these back drivers. You got Henderson walking beam suspension as well. Nice straight toolboxes. Got All Tex Industries box on it. Four outriggers. Man, nice clean boxes inside as well, guys. Nice, straight and clean. Runs excellent, no leaks at all. Got you straight, guys. We'll go ahead and get a quick little video of this this boom part working. It's got extra pads for the feet down here. Cylinder's free of any leaks. Okay, I'll go ahead and do the upper boom. And the lower boom. And we'll go ahead and rotate it as well. There you go, guys. It all works. Does what it's supposed to do. All right, it's also got this Ox hydraulics on the top for trimming trees. It's all working good shape. Nice, straight, clean truck, guys. No def, none of the BS. Can't get cleaner than this, guys. So 2001 model Freightliner FL80 with the van bucket set up. Interested in this unit, give us a call, 972-666-9501. Thank you.